Here I have ZTE Blade V10 Vita, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So first of all, you have to open the screen which you want to capture. For example, it could be settings list. And then what you have to do is to hold down combination power key and volume down at the same time, like this. You don't need to hold it down, you can just press it once. Power key and volume down, and screenshot will be taken. You can also take screenshot by going to the upper bar here, and here you have this button, screenshot, and it works the same. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.